Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or turn on ambient mode in YouTube. It's a pretty easy and basic thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will get notified from our latest videos. Now let's get back to the guide. Now what you need to do is open up the YouTube mobile application and go to any of the videos on which you want to turn on the ambient mode once you have turned it off. For example, if I go to this video, now once this is video, click on the video and at the top right you should be able to find the gear button or the settings option. Tap on it and all of these options will appear. At the very bottom of the settings, you should be able to find additional settings. Tap on it and the second option is ambient mode. Simply turn it on from here and as you can see at the bottom is ambient mode is on, and that is how you can turn on or enable ambient mode on YouTube. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.